And Ron, all eyes are on Wall Street this morning to see how investors will react to the downgrade of the U.S. debt. Right now, Dow futures are down 222 points. Global stocks sank today. In Asia, both Japan's Nikkei and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index fell more than 2%. Europe is trading sharply lower at this hour, despite the central bank's pledge to actively implement its bond buying program. Financial strategist Clark Hodges is here to give us some in-depth analysis this morning. Clark, you've spent decades watching the markets go up and down. What do you think about the situation today?
A lot of fear.
Yeah.
I really feel for the investors that are going to pick up the phone today and call their advisor and sell their stocks out of their IRA or their bonds out of their IRA. I think that's a mistake. And I really do think that the fear is what I'm most concerned about with investors.
You think it's a mistake because you feel at this point people just need to calm down, right?
Calm down. If you're selling today, you're not selling for the right reason. You're selling because the news over the weekend with S&P downgrading our credit rating. And if you look at that, that's really 1 out of 3 agencies downgrading our credit rating. And if you're selling today, you're selling because of other news besides that company that you're selling their stock.
On that note, what kind of immediate effects can the average American expect to see as a result other than fear?
I don't think anything from the downrating of the credit. Interest rates aren't going to spike. If all 3 of the agencies were to downgrade our credit rating, then maybe interest rates would go up. But, you know, the average American is not going to be affected by this.
So in the meantime, what should the average American do to protect himself and herself?
This morning when the market opens, sit on your hands, don't react, let the day play out. This is a game that never ends. The stock market goes on tomorrow and the next day and next week and next month. The month of August is traditionally a very slow time in the market, so don't add to it by selling and putting a lot of selling pressure on the market. Just sit on your hands, relax, call your advisor, let them talk to you about it, let them hear the voice of reason from them.
Okay, take a deep breath.
Yes.
Clark Hodges, we thank you for your expertise this morning.
Thank you.
Back to you, Ron.